The much-anticipated Dawn 3, starring Ranveer Singh and backed by Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidhwani, has now turned into one of Bollywood's biggest controversies. What started as an unexpected exit has now exploded into a 40 crore rupees compensation dispute. And if things don't settle soon, this could become a full-blown legal battle. So what exactly happened? Earlier this month, Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidhwani approached the Producers Guild of India seeking 40 crore rupees in damages. Their production house, Excel Entertainment, claimed that Ranveer Singh's abrupt exit caused heavy losses during the film's pre-production and development stages. But Ranveer strongly denied these claims. According to sources, the actor accused the banner of unprofessional conduct and long-standing delays that stalled the project for years. He reportedly submitted a detailed document including emails and WhatsApp chats to show that the production lacked commitment and clarity. In an attempt to calm things down, several big names from the industry, Karan Johar, Sajid Nadiadwala, Ekta Kapoor, Zoya Akhtar, and Puneet Goenka, reportedly gathered at Aamir Khan's Mumbai residence for informal mediation talks. But despite the effort, no agreement was reached. Farhan and Ritesh refused to reduce their compensation demand. Ranveer stood firm, saying he had no financial liability. Interestingly, reports suggest that Ranveer was initially willing to pay a certain amount as a goodwill gesture. However, after being presented with what he reportedly considered an excessive compensation figure, he withdrew the offer. The actor was actually ready to pay some compensation, but he could not accept responsibility for the entire financial loss due to stalling of the project. Now, the Producers Guild of India has advised both sides to seek legal recourse, stating that mediation is ineffective when neither party is open to compromise. Earlier, there were talks of involving the Cine and TV Artists Association, but the matter now appears to be heading toward court. With reputations and crores at stake, this clash between Ranveer Singh and the Dawn 3 producers could soon unfold inside a courtroom. Will they settle, or will this turn into one of Bollywood's biggest legal showdowns? Only time will tell. Love is in the air for Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda, and this time, it's official. After months of speculation, the couple has finally confirmed their wedding. Rumors first started doing the rounds when they reportedly got engaged in October. While they never confirmed the engagement, they also stayed completely silent about wedding buzz until now. On Sunday, the duo shared a heartfelt note confirming that they are all set to tie the knot in the beautiful city of Udaipur on 26 February. They arrived in the city on Monday morning, and the celebrations have already begun. Vijay gave fans a fun sneak peek from a lively pool party with friends. In the picture, everyone can be seen enjoying pool games like water volleyball, clearly setting the mood for a joyful celebration. Meanwhile, Rashmika shared a glimpse of the dreamy decor. One blurry photo teased the stunning setup, and another revealed a beautifully wrapped menu cloth with the name Virosh on it, a sweet blend of their names. The table decor followed a gorgeous pink and green theme, decorated with flowers and fruits, giving it a vibrant yet elegant vibe. As per reports, the festivities will begin with a Mehendi ceremony on 24th February, attended by close family and intimate friends. The Haldi and Sangeet celebrations are scheduled for 25th February 2026, leading up to the grand wedding ceremony on 26th February, all at the same picturesque property. The guest list is said to be tightly curated, keeping the events strictly private. By choosing Udaipur, known for its majestic palaces and serene lakes, the couple is adding a royal touch to their big day while keeping it personal. The Mehendi and Sangeet are expected to be elaborate yet intimate, blending South Indian traditions with contemporary styling. Looks like this wedding is going to be nothing short of magical. Bollywood's beloved couple Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif stepped into a beautiful new phase of life in November 2025 as they welcomed their baby boy. They shared their joy with fans in a heartfelt joint post. They wrote, "Our ray of light Vihan Kaushal. Prayers are answered. Life is beautiful. Our world is changed in an instant. Gratitude beyond words." While Katrina has taken a break from films to be a completely hands-on mom, it's Vicky's heartfelt words about her that are melting hearts. At a recent event, when Neha Dhupia asked him, "How is it being a brand new dad?" Vicky's response was filled with love and admiration for his wife. He said, "He is 3 months old right now. There's very little a dad has to do when the baby is 3 months old. I'm just trying to be a cheerleader and I'm waiting for him to grow up so I can contribute more. Right now, the mother is being the superhero and she's been a warrior through her pregnancy and she's been a warrior as a mother as well. I'm so incredibly proud of her and I love her so much." His words made one thing clear. For Vicky, Katrina is the real hero. In another interview, when asked if he had mastered changing diapers, he laughed and said, "I'm better at changing diapers than acting. I'd just like to say that." But beyond the jokes, Vicky also opened up about the emotional shift fatherhood has brought into his life. "It's very tough to leave the city after becoming a father. But one day when he watches this, he'll be proud of his dad. I can't express in words what it means to be a father," he shared. Through it all, Vicky's love and respect for Katrina shine the brightest, proud husband, doting dad, and her biggest cheerleader. Panic spread across Mexico after the killing of the country's most wanted cartel leader triggered violent unrest. And among those present in the country at the time was rapper-singer Yo-Yo Honey Singh. As highways were blocked, vehicles set on fire, and tourists left stranded, fans grew worried about Honey Singh's safety. The singer, known for hits like Angrezi Beat, Brown Rang, and Millionaire, quickly shared an update on Instagram. Posting a picture beside a chartered plane, he wrote, "Thank you guys for all your concern. I am safe in Mexico just flying back home, Har Har Mahadev," reassuring everyone that he was out of danger. The unrest began after Nemesio El Mencho Oseguera Cervantes, head of the Jalisco New Generation cartel, was killed in a Mexican military operation reportedly aided by US intelligence. Following his death, chaos erupted. Reports say the cartel quickly gave security forces a taste of its power Sunday when gunmen closed roads across Mexico and burned vehicles, sending black plumes of smoke across the skies, including in Puerto Vallarta. According to officials, 85 roadblocks were set up and dozens of attacks targeted security forces. More than 25 security personnel and a civilian were killed, while over 30 suspected cartel members were killed and 70 detained. The US State Department revealed it had been receiving hundreds of calls from stranded Americans, and airlines suspended flights to Puerto Vallarta and Guadalajara. Experts now fear a possible power struggle within the cartel, which could lead to further instability, especially in Jalisco, a state scheduled to host matches during the 2026 FIFA World Cup. For now, Honey Singh is safe and heading home, but the situation in Mexico remains tense.